In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to Odoo. This integration can really enhance your workflow by allowing you to manage your print-on-demand products and orders seamlessly within the Odoo system. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you have accounts set up with both Printify and Odoo. If you haven't done that yet, take a moment to create both accounts. Printify will serve as your print-on-demand service, while Odoo will be your business management software. Once you have your accounts ready, the first step to connecting Printify to Odoo is to log in to your Printify account. After you've successfully logged in, you should be on the Printify dashboard. From here, look for the Integrations tab, which you can find on the left-hand sidebar. Click on that tab, and it will take you to a page that shows all the platforms you can connect to. Next, you're looking for Odoo on that list. If you see it, great. If not, don't panic. It can sometimes take a bit of navigation through the available integration options. Once you locate Odoo, click on it, and Printify will prompt you with the necessary steps for integration. What you will need next is the Odoo API key. To get this, open a new tab and log into your Odoo account. Once inside Odoo, navigate to the Settings page. You might need to enable developer mode if you haven't done so already. To enable this, go to the Settings menu and find the Activate the Developer Mode option, which is usually situated at the bottom of the Settings menu. When the developer mode is activated, look for General Settings. Here, scroll down until you find the API Keys section. It might be hidden under a subsection, so keep an eye out for that. Click on Create to generate a new API key. Make sure you copy this API key, because you will need it when we return to Printify. Now that you have your API key, head back to the Printify integration page where you found Odoo. Here, you'll be prompted to input that API key. Simply paste it in the designated field. After entering the API key, look for a button that says something like Connect or Authorize. Clicking this will initiate the connection process between Printify and your Odoo account. Depending on your internet connection and the responsiveness of the services, this might take a few moments. Patience is key here. Once connected, Printify will typically present you with options to sync products, orders, and inventory. Make sure to follow the prompts here to choose what exactly you want to sync. Generally speaking, syncing your products and orders will provide a more comprehensive integration, but make sure to select the options that best suit your business needs. After everything is set up, it's essential to test the integration. Place a test order in Printify and check to see if it appears in Odoo. This will ensure that your connection is functioning correctly. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. In case you encounter any issues during the setup, don't hesitate to check both the Printify and Odoo help sections or their community forums. They can be a valuable resource for troubleshooting. So that's it for today's video on how to connect Printify to Odoo. I hope you found it informative and easy to follow. Remember, integrating these two platforms can help streamline your processes and save you time, so take full advantage of them. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for more helpful content in the future. Thanks for watching.